I done done it all. Y'all see, that's what I be talking about. These songs be stuck in my head. But hey y'all, it's your girl Chi, back with another big go. Okay, let me stop being extra. But y'all, I'm coming at you on Tuesday with another hair review. Yes, it's from the same hair I get in all of my videos. I get the same hair because that hair is so good. Even though I'm gonna give y'all a thorough review on this one so y'all can know both pros and cons. Everything about the hair will be linked down in the description, so I'm not gonna be harping on too many details, you know, because it's gonna be down below. If you wanna know how to order it, and y'all please use my link. I'm gonna put two links. I'm gonna put the direct link to this hair, and then I'm gonna put a link just to VShow hair. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, but like if y'all search the wig up through the link, like it's one link. The direct link is not the link that lets them know y'all used my link. The link that's supposed to be for my link is the one that sends you to their site, so you have to look up this hair. But I can tell y'all that this hair is under, if y'all do click on the link that just goes to their site, you click on that link, that's probably gonna be the first link, not the one that say direct down below. You click on that one, you type body wave hair, and you get to this one. Or you can order whatever wig you want, and let VShow hair know that I'm the one who put y'all on. That's how you do it, by just purchasing through that link. But if you don't want to do that and you want to be petty towards me, but still want to get put on, I'm going to let y'all slide. I'm going to still put the little direct link so you can go straight to the hair, because you ain't got to support me if you don't want to, you know. But I would hope y'all would. But anyways, let me stop playing too much. So I'm going to say I get all my wigs from VShow hair. Like every wig that I review, I believe they all been my VShow hair. Like they have really good quality hair. They last a long time. I didn't have my last wig for like 2 years, and I have used it in different ways. I have cut lace, I have dyed, I have plucked, I have cut it up and made other hairstyles. So yeah, I'm like pretty used to that hair. But let me get into this hair. Personally, out of all the wigs that I bought, I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like when they get to the 30-inch mark, I don't remember which one this is, but I think it's 30. I think it's 30. When they get to the 30-inch mark, I'm not gonna lie, their wigs slightly thin out a bit. But I feel like for the price that they asking for, it's worth it, because the wig is not thin, as I was trying to tell y'all. It's not thin like one of those horrible wigs, bad quality. It's like, it's just like slightly thinner than what I'm used to them making, because my other wigs was like so thick and natural that, you know, comparing this one that they did, it's not the best one that I would say per se. And then just because too, for me, I have a really big head, okay? So my head be really big, and these wigs sometimes do not be big head friendly. Like I don't know why they be making them for girls with little heads or like average size hair, because I feel like if the wig is too big for those type of people, they can always like cut it, and because it's better to have more room than it would be to somebody it just can't fit somebody's head. You get what I'm saying? And I feel like that low-key be cheating people for them to cater for normal to average, because they low-key could just either tighten the wig or cut it. But that's just me, that's just how I feel. But I feel like the wig is already big, so no, small, too small for me. So for me, I had to go into the back, cut that little thing back there, adjusting band. Then after I cut the adjusting band, I basically had to make like little holes in the wig just to stretch the wig, which that's hard and could damage the hair. So I just think that's bold that they make them like that. But that's for most wig companies. You know, you're going to expect that. But if you big hair friendly, you might have to do what I did. If you want to know how to do what I did, comment below and I'll make a video for you. But I'm not about to just be making a video if nobody tell me that they want to see something like that, because if they don't just be making videos, it's pointless, you know? So if y'all want to see a video on that, I'll let y'all know how to do that. I just wish the density was a bit more, because this is not enough for me. I know like we all are used to fuller hair because we used to wigs and stuff. Low-key, this would be like how the density of how somebody natural hair would be. So yeah, the density is just not that it. But one thing about me is I always end up adding hair to my wigs anyway, so that don't really bother me. Like you can always buy an extra bundle, and then plus you getting bang for your buck, because this is still quality hair. And if you want to do add-ons to the hair, you can, because it's a lot of room too in between tracks to put tracks on, especially if you ain't good at gluing tracks on top of other tracks. But yeah, so you can always add hair to the hair if you want it thicker. Like, I wouldn't do that for a day-to-day basis, but if I'm going somewhere special, I don't know, I might do a 36-inch look. Like, if y'all want to see me do that again, but show y'all how I do it when I mix human hair with synthetic, I will show y'all. To give a 36-inch look, I really would show y'all, because this would be so cute if I turn this into 36 inches. Like, it would definitely be given. So I would give y'all that video if y'all want to see that. So also comment down below if you want to see it. I still might do it, because I might be going somewhere nice and just do it and record it for y'all. But let me know if you want to see that. I love it. It took dye very well. I dyed this 2 coats of dye, 2 different days. I dyed it one day. I went out into the sun. I didn't feel like I dyed it long enough, so I went back in with a second coat. This is jet black. I love it. Okay. Once again, since I said the density is kind of thin, I actually do prefer it not straight. I would like it straight if the cap was bigger, because my head is so big. I don't want neck room to show my... I sewed this wig down, so this is sewed down to like the bottom of my neck, but you can see the gaps kind of when it's straight. You can't see it if I'm just standing there, but if, like, I went out like 2-3 days ago, and like in certain lights, like if I move my shoulder a certain way, you just saw like gaps. So I don't like that. Of the head, like I said, if the wig fit my head better, straight, wearing it straight will be fine. So if you got an average size head, this wig is perfect for you. Average to small wig. But if you a big head girl like me, it's stuff we gotta work around. Okay. Yeah. So I covered that. I like the bangs. I like how the fact that I didn't end up cutting the bangs. I did do layers right here though. But I like how they came longer, so if they do be like too short to your liking, you can customize them. Because sometimes people complain about that, but I love that because everybody's head is a different size. Some people like longer bangs, some people like shorter bangs. So I like how they came like that. And yeah, overall, I really like the hair. Like, this part is kind of like straight, and I wet the bottom, so it gives like a more organized look. But yeah, I just love it. Like, every time, they never miss. Let me show y'all the back. Cover girl. I'm just playing. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna leave it at. I'm a little too hype and eager in this video. I got a lot of energy. I'm probably about to get lit or something, but I don't know. So yeah, stay pretty, stay close, stay kind, stay a little bit ratchet just in case they look ugly. And if you want to support me, click the first link down below. If you don't want to support me but still want to be put on, I get it. You could just click the direct link if you want easy access to the website. But yeah, so bye y'all.